Acme Educational Publications. Number 1. Educational Group. Hello, young learners. My name is Zootopia. Welcome to Happy Phonics. Early Year Foundation Stage 3. Don't forget the importance of sign language. It's a bridge to communication, opening doors of understanding and inclusion for those who rely on it. Sign language letter K. To sign K, put your thumb in between your first 2 fingers while they're pointed up. Sign language letter L. L is another sign that looks like the letter. Sign language letter M. To sign M, curl your first 3 fingers over your thumb. It kind of looks like an M. Sign language letter N. Once you know M, it's pretty easy to learn N. N is the same as M, but with only the first 2 fingers. Sign language letter O. O is another sign that looks like the letter it represents. Comment us the screenshot of your activity. Must like, subscribe, and share this video. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next lesson.